Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and signing into the Only Way Themes icon app. This links your preferences and backups. Once done, grant icon, storage, and overlay permissions so the app can replace icons and apply widgets. Make sure to pick a base theme or a blank canvas. That sets the palette and grid behavior. You do this first to avoid conflicts with your launcher. If you have a custom launcher, set compatibility now to ensure icons scale correctly. Once your base is ready, dive into icon replacement and layout settings. You select an icon pack or import SVG/PNG files, then preview at 1x, 2x, and 3x scales so nothing blurs on different screens. Next, adjust grid, spacing, and the adaptive icon mask to keep a uniform look across apps. Use batch replace to swap many icons at once, and then fine-tune individual icons to correct misalignment or color mismatches. You finish by applying the theme globally and saving a named backup so you can restore or share it. Once applied, test the look on home screens, lock screen widgets, and within folders to confirm consistency. Export a theme package for backup or to transfer to another device. If icons fail to appear, clear the app cache, confirm permissions are still granted, and then re-import or reassign the affected assets. This usually resolves permission or caching errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.